guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you guys are new here. If you are new, hi, my name is Natalie and I am an accountant. I just graduated from UNT December of 2022 with my master's and bachelor's in accounting. And yeah, I do a lot of day in my life videos as far as like accounting and pretty much just anything about my life. I'm currently studying for the CPA exam right now, so subscribe if you guys are new. I'm currently out of breath because I was just running around the apartment with my cat, Jasper. He is being very bad. He's been waking us up pretty much almost every night this past week at like 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 6 a.m. Like, he just is not stopping, and we tried everything. We play with him, we either lock him out, but then at that point it's just like his meowing just gets so loud, so then we just like let him back in. He just hasn't been letting us sleep very well, so we had an early start to our day today. It's Friday, May 19th. It's 10:24 right now. I'm actually in the middle of a virtual training all day today, so it started at 8:30 and I think it ends at 5 as well, and then I have training on Monday, and Monday is my birthday, May 22nd. But yeah, so we're doing training all day today, and this is like me slowly starting to transition into audit full-time.
Y'all have about 1 minute, so we'll get started
and
in just a second.
We're currently on break, so we are actually about to start back up on training. So I just wanted to pop on here and talk to you for a little bit. We went to breakfast this morning at like 7 a.m. and then we got Starbucks, and then I logged on at 8:30. So anyways, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, I just shut my laptop for the day. It's 4:22. Training lasted from 8:30 until now. I don't know if I talked about it much earlier this morning, but it was EBP training, which stands for Employee Benefit Plan Training, which is kind of important, especially since not everyone in the office knows how to do it, like including me. And so since that's something that when I say we, I mean like the office works on during like the summer and towards the end of the year and stuff, they were just really wanting to hound down on the training. So I have training again on Monday, and Monday's my birthday, so I'll be 27 years old. I can't believe I'm saying that because it literally still feels like I'm 19 years old. I don't know. Not much of a like different feeling, I guess, but anyways, I'm not gonna lie, I am really sleepy, and I don't know if you can tell, like the sleep deprivation is just catching on to me. Chris went to go play a round of golf. He basically is just serving on the weekend right now until he starts full-time with the firm on the 19th, I think. And so he pretty much has like the week off and then serves on the weekends. And this past week I was working, and so it was nice to come home and like he was doing all the cooking and cleaning and stuff, and so it was nice for me to come home and just like focus on studying and like get like workout in and stuff like that. But anyways, it was raining for a little bit. The sun is out for now, but I don't know if it's gonna be permanent or not. I have some chicken in the crock pot. I kind of want to take a nap. I also wanted to do the treadmill for a little bit today, but I don't know if that's gonna work, and I also want to get some studying done tonight as well. So I think I'm gonna try and take a nap, and then I'll probably be up late tonight since tomorrow's Saturday anyways. So for now I'm going to end the vlog here, and like I'll just catch up with you guys later on. Yeah, I don't have anything else to say at the moment. Okay, bye.
On the road, I've been around the floor, rooftops, sliding doors. This if you wanna be with somebody.
All right, it's a little bit later. I ended up not taking a nap, but I laid down for a couple hours, and then it hit me that I just randomly wanted an espresso martini, and I love them so much. So we have like no liquor here at all, so I went to the liquor store and I got a couple of goodies. I don't know if this glass is going to be big enough, but we're gonna give it a shot. So I'm about to eat some dinner first, and then I'm going to make a espresso martini and then study for a little bit. I also did the dishes, and yeah, I feel like I'm gonna be up a little bit later tonight just because I'm drinking caffeine at like 7:30. So I already brewed my espresso shot. I just have it chilling in the fridge, but I just picked up these goodies from the liquor store. I don't know if this glass is gonna be big enough, but we're gonna find out. How cute. Look, he's like hugging me. He wants attention all the time. It's like actually pretty ridiculous. I'm pretty sure he's in his terrible twos, honestly. Like, I think that's a thing for cats as well. He is about 2.5, so I feel like he definitely terrible twos. Yeah.
With the view she could see her building. Try to tell her I know I feel it. Keep me floating, I'm on my back. Slow me down when I'm living fast. You make me wanna be with somebody.
Okay, update. My camera died in the middle of me making my espresso martini. It tastes good. I think I put too much vodka. Maybe a little too much vodka. It's not bad. It's my first time making one. I've never made myself a drink. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Hopefully I'll get better at it, but I'm going to continue just studying, and I'm going to do some multiple choice questions. I am on chapter 2 of BEC, and chapter 2 has 9 modules, and I'm currently almost done with module 3. So Jasper, he will not stop biting my ankles. He wants to play, and my camera, I still haven't charged my camera. Ow, I still have it. Ow, Jasper. Gosh, this cat's such a butthole sometimes. Okay, I need to charge my camera. I'll talk to you guys later. I just bought a laptop. Finally. In a very long time. Finally got a laptop, a brand new one. I got protection on it in case anything happens. And then I also got this SD card reader because there is no SD card chip in slot thing in this laptop. So now I can edit my videos better, have better quality, faster. All right, I set up my laptop. My laptop does not, I guess a lot of the newer Windows laptops, well, my laptop is not necessarily Windows, well, it's MSI, but it does not have Windows Movie Maker, which is the video editing software that I use, and a lot of the newer laptops nowadays don't actually have that anymore, so I'm gonna have to look into another video editing software in the meantime, so just bear with me on that. I'm gonna make a coffee and I'm going to study for a little bit. I would like to get a workout in today, but yeah, I don't know. It's my birthday weekend, so I'm literally just going with the flow. So we're gonna make some coffee. I feel like I've changed shirts like 5 times already too. I got a new ice tray and I have these cute little ice cubes. smells like glass. Alright guys, I've been studying for a couple hours now, and I think I'm going to end the vlog here because I just don't want to have a super long vlog to edit. I feel like I've been trying to make my vlogs a little more on the shorter side, especially just for like uploading and for my audience and everything, and for me as well. But I also need to start playing around with video editing software, and that's probably going to take me some time. And I am planning on doing a workout today as well, and then just going to continue studying for the rest of the night. And then I'll probably make like an espresso martini tonight too. It's my birthday weekend, so I think I'm just gonna have another one tonight while I study. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys are new, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.